Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making your tools honest. Calibrate your display to 6,500 degrees K and set the project color space to Rec. 709 or your target gamut. Once done, import footage and organize clips. Apply only an input LUT to normalize log footage. Use scopes, waveform for exposure, parade for balance, vector scope for hue to guide decisions. You'll correct exposure first. Lift shadows, pull down highlights, and set midtones so skin and key elements sit in the way. Now you refine, perform primary corrections, adjust lift, gamma, and gain to sculpt contrast and set the look space, tweak pivot to control where contrast centers. Once balanced, use secondaries. Isolate skin with a qualifier, refine with denoise and softness, then use power windows to expose local areas without affecting the whole image. Make sure to match adjoining shots. Grab a clean reference frame and copy node chains, adjusting only what differs to keep continuity across the sequence. Finish with creativity and precision. Layer a creative LUT or craft contrast with curves, then dial saturation and selective color to taste. Once satisfied, apply the output transform or deliverable LUT and inspect with scopes. Look for clipped highlights, crushed blacks, or hue shifts. Export with correct color space tags and bit depth for delivery. If you see banding, introduce subtle dithering or raise bit depth. If hues shift, revisit your output transform and reconfirm monitor calibration before final render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.